This lesson reminds us that He has provided us with a world of color and all the values of color in between, and perspective. And you get to make that in art. So go make some. Go make some art that reflects His handiwork. And most importantly, forget not the Lord. If you want to learn how to do this lesson and hundreds more, join us in our Bible Art membership filled with printables, art lessons, and Bible resources for kids of all ages, where we're helping you remember the Lord in creative ways.